everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vanshika, and if you are new then do subscribe down below and hit the bell icon. I make videos related to travel, lifestyle and beauty. So today's video is inspired by Shreya Jain. I have seen a video on her channel that says her favorite MT products, and I have been using these products since a very long time. I've emptied 2 or 3 bottles of these. I absolutely love these products, so I wanted to share it with you guys if you guys are interested in buying all of the skincare products. So you can also follow me on Instagram for more updates and reels where I speak about skincare, makeup and travel. So let's get started with the video. Everything is linked in the description box below. I have 2 in each category, I guess, and I have kept this very safely for quite some time to show you guys. So please engage in this video. Trust me, when I say they are empty, they are absolutely empty. There is nothing in them. I have kept the empty bottles for you. So the first category is the cleansers. The first cleanser that I have been loving for a while is this Kama Ayurveda Rose Jasmine Face Cleanser. It has essential oils of rose and jasmine. The bottle looks something like this, very small. It retails for 450 rupees, which is a little expensive, I would be honest with you guys, but it is a gel based cleanser. It cleanses your skin as well as your makeup. So I came across this very rare when a cleanser does a job of a makeup remover. Does not strip the natural oils of my skin and is very mild, and it does not even have that harsh fragrance to it. So definitely try this one out. The second one that I have is the Clean and Clear. This is like the OG cleanser. I think each one of you in India must have used this either once or twice. This retails for I think 60-70 bucks for 50 ml of product, which is very cheap. And okay, it retails for 80 rupees. It's here, and I use the variant that is Berry Blast. It comes in 5 to 6 different variants like lemon, papaya and strawberry, but this Berry Blast is so nice. It has little beads in it. As you can see, it's stuck on the bottle. These beads help to rejuvenate your skin in the morning, and it gives that boost of vitality to your skin in the morning. It's very mild. It's from the company Johnson's & Johnson's. They make baby products, so it's very lightweight and mild. This whole bottle only lasts me for 1 month as it's only 50 ml, but it also comes in a big bottle, so you can definitely try this one out. And this variant is oil free and won't clog your pores. So guys, moving on to the second category, I have some mist for you. These 2 mist have been my best friend since months now. The first one is the Plum Goodness. I thoroughly enjoyed using each bit of this. It's left with a little bit, I'll use that as well. This contains green tea and it is perfect for combination to oily skin. So it does not clog your pores, and the spray is really nice. Like, it gives a lot of coverage on your skin, and you can also apply on your makeup. It makes your skin feel so fresh as soon as you apply. You don't need a cleanser when you're using this. So usually when I travel and I feel hot, then I go in with this face mist, and this is a green tea variant. I think it comes in 2 to 3 variants, but this one is perfect. So yes, this one retails for 360 rupees for 100 ml of product, which is decent amount, and the bottle is very nice. It's plastic bottle, it won't break, and also the spray is really good. It has green tea, Centella asiatica. It nourishes your skin, works as a makeup fixer as well, and it has green tea leaves, which is so calming for irritated skin. So if you have acne, then you can definitely try this one out. The second one is for people who have dry skin. So I have the Beautyco Rose Mist, facial mist. This is the soothing and moisturizing mist. This again is in a 100 ml bottle, and this one retails for 450 rupees. A little bit expensive than this, but definitely worth giving a try. The spray of this one is also very nice, but a little strong, and it soaks into your skin so well. It smells like rose and jasmine. That's it. Pure rose water, I would say. It's not even a mist, it is kind of a rose water, but worth giving a try. I have tried Beautyco's, a lot of products from Beautyco's, but only This and the rose oil is a win-win situation. Otherwise I don't like their products, but you can definitely check out this one if you're on the drier skin side. Almost over with it as well. Can't wait to purchase a new bottle of this. The third category that I have is the serum, which is most important in your skincare routine. And I don't like using serums much because I don't see the visible difference. But these two have shown such great response or result on my skin. I cannot wait to purchase a new bottle of these two. This I have already done with 3 bottles. I think I have mentioned in my skincare routine as well. This is the Dot & Key Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is around 900 rupees and it does contain fragrance. So if you're someone who's really sensitive to fragrance, then do not try it out. It does contain a little bit of fragrance, but it's super hydrating, like super hydrating. I spray the mist and then I apply this one. It absorbs into the skin so quickly, feels really nice, and when I wake up in the morning my skin feels really hydrated and not dry. So I go in with only water and not cleanser in the morning. So guys, this the hyaluronic one I would highly suggest from Dot & Key. It's really nice, and but I've also used the vitamin C, which is not so nice. So for the vitamin C I use this green tangerine Goodal. I got this from my office as a gift. So this is a K-beauty brand, Goodal, and I was very conscious of using this. At the first place I thought it's just like another serum, but it contains vitamin C and green tangerine, which is really great for dark spots. With continuous use of 1.5 months, my skin is flawless. All the dark spots have reduced drastically and I've seen such great results with this one. I would highly suggest if you are not on a budget, and this retails for around 1500-1600 rupees, a little bit expensive but worth the money. This only lasted me for a month because I was using twice a day, but I am going to purchase this second bottle for sure. This is available on Macron Beauty, and also it has very mild vitamin C, so this won't clog your pores or harm your skin. So if you have a sensitive skin, then also you can try this one out. It also comes with a vitamin C cream and a face mask, which is also like a whole range of vitamin C for your dark spots, so you can definitely try this one. Last but not the least, I have some of the moisturizer to show you guys. In this particular category, I don't have 2 favorites, I have 3 of them. The first one being my absolute favorite and the OG Pond's super lightweight gel. It is a gel based moisturizer. I am a dry skin type, so I like gel based. They are very smooth on the skin, they are not thick at all, and works really good. It contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. As you can see, I am done with this. I think I have completed 2 to 3 bottles of this, and I always tend to go back to this product. It's really mild and nice on my skin. It's non-sticky, bilkul bhi nahi hai, and price range is very affordable. Like let me tell you the price of this one. Okay, this retails for 300 rupees for a lot of product. It is like I think 147 gram of product. It is really nice and travel friendly. It comes in a plastic bottle. So this comes in 2 variants, एक thick one, एक gel one. So I usually go with the gel one, which has vitamin E also. This is really good for dry patches, really good. The next one is quite surprising for me. This is from the Skincraft. They sent me in PR this I have not purchased with my own money, but this is the Barrier Repair Gel Moisture. It is only 40 ml because they sell small bottles, but the pump is really nice. It's over, nothing is coming out. I have used it completely, and this retails for 1600 rupees for 40 ml, which is very expensive. But obviously if you can afford something like this, you can definitely check this one out. The ingredients are also really nice. It also contains salicylic acid and niacinamide, which is great for your skin barrier, and I really enjoyed this one. I usually use this one in the travel bag because it's small and compact and really does the job. The last but not the least is again from a K-beauty brand, that is It's Skin. I have this aloe relaxing cream. It's, as the name suggests, relaxing cream. It really relaxes your skin. This again is a gel based moisturizer. This is normal cream type moisturizer. This is gel based again. Completed the whole bottle within a month. The glass frost bottle is really nice. It contains aloe vera gel, which is great for soothing your skin out, and also very mild smell. I have been using the serum, the same serum, aloe serum as well. It's really good, but I would not suggest that one, for you. I think I am still exploring and trying to think about it if I'll buy it again, but this definitely goes in the list of empties. Enjoyed this product, used this product, done with this bottle. I'm going to purchase this again. So this retails for, I think this is cheap, like 800-900 bucks, and the quantity is 50 ml. This will last you for 1 month if you use twice a day, and really good for your skin. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoy such knowledge based videos, then do let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to make more of them for you. I have been collecting this for quite a while for you guys, so do engage, like, comment, share, and share with your friends. Until next time, bye.